Good morning, friends. Today we are going to see our next part of photochemistry. This is our eighth lecture. So let's start. We have already completed our first part of Paton-Obuchi reaction in last lecture, and some examples are remain. So let's see that. Just recap few points from last lecture. In case of Paton-Obuchi reaction, firstly it is a cycloaddition type of reaction of carbonyl compound and alkene. So mainly the alkene gives the type of alkene gives you a final product. So energy of alkene is high, then rotation of bond is possible. Means the energy of alkene is high, then rotation of bond takes place. Means there is a possibility of rotation of bond, and you will get a opposite or if there is a syn compound of alkene, then in product there you will get a trans product of oxygen. Samely, if the energy of alkene is low, you will get just change in a spin and there will be no change in the stereochemistry of compound. So the energy of alkene will be high if there is a electron donating group present on alkene. It will rises the energy of alkene, so it will be an unstable compound, and as it is unstable there is much more time to change its means it can easily rotate its bond, carbon carbon single bond. But if there is electron withdrawing group present on the alkene, then you will get energy of alkene will be low, it will be more stable, and there is somewhat difficult to change its carbon carbon single bond or rotate its bond. So there is only change in a spin takes place and bond formation takes place. So we have already seen one example of carbonyl compound and alkene. Simply you get oxygen, here CH3 as electron donating group. So the actually रिॲक्टंट मध्ये जी काही अल्किनची स्टिरिओकेमिस्ट्री असेल ती काय होणार आहे, चेंज होणार आहे प्रोडक्टमध्ये. In detail we study about this. Firstly the carbonyl compound in ground state, after it absorb photon and it will goes to excited say singlet state, then triplet state after intersystem crossing, and this triplet excited state carbonyl compound reacted with alkene molecule. Okay, so this carbonyl compound and alkene will react. Two possibility of reaction there is, if this oxygen will react with this CH2 or this carbon will react with, or this oxygen will react with this carbon. So out of this CH2 double bond, after splitting two radical formation means CH2 and this carbon bond, out of which this CH2 is more unstable, it will make bond with this oxygen, and finally this uh, route is preferable because after formation of this oxygen and carbon bond, the formation of this C radical, it is more stable because of this two CH3 electron donating groups. And if we go through this mechanism, if suppose this oxygen make a bond with this, sorry, this CH3 double bond, then finally the radical will form after primary condition. It will be a primary radical, means yeah, this is a tertiary biradical and this is a primary biradical. So tertiary is more stable than primary. So because of that, this product is, you can see here, 90%. In deeply you can study by looking just last lecture. Second point, if there is an electron withdrawing group, the stereochemistry remains same. You can see trans. Here in product also it is a trans. Here it is syn. Then here also it is syn. Okay, just now see new examples. Now in case of Paton-Obuchi reaction of carbonyl group and diene, so you will get this type of product. See the mechanism. Now we have firstly carbonyl compound. On absorption of photon, it will goes to excited state, and when reaction with this diene, after breaking of this bond, any bond will cleave because symmetrical structure. Now breaking of this bond, suppose electron will goes to carbon carbon radical formation takes place like this. Now out of these two radicals, which one is more stable? See, this radical is in conjugation with this double bond, so it is more stable than this radical. So this radical will first react with this oxygen and make a bond with between this oxygen and carbon radical. Finally in second step, Just addition of this two radical and final structure of oxygen you will get. Okay, so main point between this in Pattern-Bucci reaction, to select the stability of radical, which radical is more stable will will react afterward. So which is more reactive, which is more unstable, will react first with the oxygen, will make, which is more unstable radical, carbon radical of alkene, will first make bond with oxygen radical of carbonyl compound, and second step मध्ये बाकीच्या reaction होऊन जाणार, means oxygen formation and all. Okay, let's see next example. Simply again it's type of diene. Just try to solve it. Okay, see, firstly, same step. First, carbonyl group get excited. Then there will be formation of radicals by breaking of alkene, means bond of alkene. So first excited carbonyl compound, and just I write this alkene as per this to just make a addition reaction. See, so finally there is also homolytic fission of double bond of alkene. Now see, out of these two radicals, which one is more stable? This radical, which is going in conjugation with double bond, it will be a more stable radical, and this one is more unstable radical. So firstly reaction of unstable radical takes place. So carbonyl oxygen and this carbon radical will make a bond, and in next step there is a bond formation between this remaining two radicals, and finally you will get a oxygen compound. Okay, easy one. See the next slide. Okay, this one is somewhat different example. You can see here we have a diketone compound, and it's with reaction of this cyclic compound containing a diene. So in this reaction you can see, firstly same process are takes place. So firstly there will be a excitation of this molecule, as these two are symmetrical, the structure is symmetrical, any one ketone get excited. Suppose this ketone get excited and carbon radical and oxygen radical formation takes place, and now it's going to react with this compound. Now as it is also symmetrical, you can cleave any one of bond. So if I cleave this bond, then biradical formation takes place. After biradical formation, out of these two radicals, means let me show you here. After this bond formation, after this homolytic bond cleavage, two radical will form. Here will be a one radical, and here will be a one radical. So out of these two radicals you will get which one is more stable. See, here this radical is more stable. Why? Because this radical is in conjugation with double bond, with this double bond, and this radical is less stable, so it will react with this oxygen first, and you will get this type of product. Try to solve it your own in your notebook, and if you have any question regarding this you can ask me. I will answer in your WhatsApp group also. Okay, let's see the next example. Now last in last lecture also we discussed about react in photochemical reaction, what is the condition for cyclopropane ring, as cyclopropane ring, cyclobutane ring are more unstable rings because they are highly strained rings. Okay, so firstly they want to just get cleave to release its strain. So if there is any cyclopropane or cyclobutane ring, mostly in case of a cyclopropane ring, if there is a possibility to cleave that chain or cleave that ring, then do that first. In this reaction also, firstly simple photochemical reaction, simply you have to just excite the carbonyl compound, it will goes to excited state, means firstly it goes to singlet state, then after intersystem crossing it will goes to triplet state, and that excited molecule get reacted with this alkene molecule. See, let's see the mechanism. Okay, so firstly see, after photon absorption of photon, it will goes to excited state. This excited molecule will make a bond with this alkene. Now I have directly shown biradical of alkene, so you can go by step by step. Okay, now First, see which radical is more stable here. Out of these two radicals, the CH2 radical and carbon radical, this is in conjugation, means much more system is there to stabilize this carbon radical. Now this is unstable radical, it will make firstly bond with this oxygen. So just do that. Firstly you have to make a bond with this carbon and oxygen. Okay, let's see. Now what will be the possibility? Now on this radical you have this cyclopropane ring. सायक्लोप्रोपेन रिंग आहे म्हणजे हा रॅडिकल मोर स्टेबल असणार आहे. तरी सुद्धा आता याच्यामध्ये काय येणार आहे, सायक्लोप्रोपेन रिंग आहे म्हणजे काय करणार आहे, तो बॉन्ड क्लीव करायला बघणार आहे. सायक्लोप्रोपेन रिंग आपला स्वतःचा बॉन्ड क्लीव करायला बघणार म्हणजे बीटा क्लिवेज होणार आहे, जसं आपण मागच्या स्लाइडमध्ये पण बघितलं मागच्या एक्झाम्पलमध्ये. आता बीटा क्लिवेज झाल्यानंतर हा काय असणार आहे, अल्फा बॉन्ड, आणि हा काय असणार आहे, बीटा, आणि हा पण काय आहे, बीटा बॉन्ड. ह्यातला कुठलाही एक बॉन्ड क्लीव होणार आहे. ओके, सो जस्ट क्लीव वन ऑफ दिस bond. Just I cleave this bond. If I cleave this bond, you will get two radical. One is here and one second one will be here. So see, this type of somewhat structure you will get. You can also write as per this. Okay. Now two possibilities means two reaction to have procedure is म्हणणार ना. Okay. Two condition will be there same. हा एक radical आणि हा एक radical. This two radical will make a one bond. So double bond formation will be there. And this radical will make a new bond. So you will get a cyclic structure containing a double bond. Likewise, see, you can clearly identify this double bond, new double bond formation, and this new bond between this carbon and this carbon. So 7-membered ring formation takes place containing a oxygen. Okay, just try to solve it yourself. If you have any problem, I'm saying again, if you have any problem you can ask me. Okay, let's see next, reaction with alkenes. Up to now we have seen about alkynes, then with cyclopropane ring, then with alkenes and all dienes. Now the reaction with alkenes. In case of reaction with alkenes, there are two possibilities. In case of condition of reaction, means whether it is taking place in not hot condition, in high temperature, or whether it is in a low temperature. So if the reaction is in low temperature, the product will be different. If it isn't taking in high temperature, the product will be different. Let's see one by one. Firstly, if the reaction is taking place at a high temperature, then you can see the normal product. But as the molecule containing triple bond, see, when we have a double bond system, means alkene, just two double bond system, then the carbonyl group will react with one bond and oxygen formation takes place. But now we have two double bonds, so there is a possibility of second double bond will again react with the another excited carbonyl compound. Let's see. Now we are looking about high temperature reaction, the reaction which is present in high temperature. So firstly, biradical formation takes place as normal reaction. After biradical formation, as it is a symmetrical, both radical will be stability will be same. So just formation of oxygen and carbon bond takes place. And secondly, the bond between this carbon form, and then as we have another double bond here in this compound, it will again react with this another carbonyl excited molecule. Okay, now in this condition stability of radical is different. म्हणजे हा बॉन्ड ब्रेक झाल्यानंतर इथे एक कार्बन रॅडिकल फॉर्म होणार आहे आणि इथे एक कार्बन रॅडिकल फॉर्म होणार आहे. आता ह्या दोन कार्बन रॅडिकलमध्ये स्टॅबिलिटी कोणाची जास्त असणार आहे, तर हा जो ऑक्सिजन आहे त्याच्यावरती काय असणार आहे, त्याच्या लोन पेअर असणार आहेत. या लोन पेअर याच्याबरोबर कॉन्ज्युगेशनमध्ये असणार आहेत. त्याच्यामुळे हा जो कार्बन रॅडिकल आहे तो काय असणार आहे, जास्त स्टेबल असणार आहे. जास्त स्टेबल म्हणजे रिॲक्टिव्हिटी कमी, जास्त स्टेबल म्हणजे रिॲक्टिव्हिटी कमी, आणि जो कमी स्टेबल तो जास्त रिॲक्टिव्ह, मग तो आधी बॉन्ड फॉर्मेशन करणार. म्हणजे हा कमी स्टेबल आहे, मग आधी हा बॉन्ड फॉर्म करणार या ऑक्सिजन बरोबर, आणि हा कार्बन या कार्बन रॅडिकल बरोबर बॉन्ड फॉर्म करणार. म्हणजे तुम्हाला या ऑक्सिजन बरोबर सेकंड दुसरा एक ऑक्सिजन कंपाऊंड मिळणार आहे 4 मेंबर. ओके, दिस वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट reaction at high temperature. If the reaction is taking place at low temperature, just I have noted there minus 78 degrees Celsius or minus 76 degrees Celsius, somewhat temperature is there, then the reactions takes place different way. See, firstly देर इज अ बॉन्ड ब्रेकिंग ऑफ बॉन्ड मीन्स होमोलिटिक क्लिवेज एक्सायटेड झाल्यानंतरच असणार आहे. त्याच्यामध्ये काय होणार आहे, बॉन्ड फॉर्म होणार आहे जसं आपण मगाशी बघितलं तसं. या कार्बन आणि या ऑक्सिजनमध्ये बॉन्ड फॉर्म होईल. ओके, 2 रॅडिकल राहतील. सेकंड स्टेपमध्ये काय होईल, ऑक्सिजन फॉर्मेशन होईल. म्हणजे इथला बॉन्ड आणि इथला बॉन्ड, 4 मेंबर रिंग फॉर्म झाली कंटेनिंग ऑक्सिजन कॉल्ड ॲज ऑक्सिजन. ओके, नाव द कंडिशन इज डिफर हिअर. सी काय आहे, ॲट लो टेम्परेचर पॉसिबिलिटी ऑफ जस्ट डिसायकलायझेशन, किंवा आपण म्हणू शकतो की हा बॉन्ड इथे शिफ्ट होणार आहे, हा बॉन्ड इथे शिफ्ट होणार आहे आणि हा जो डबल बॉन्ड आहे त्यातला एक बॉन्ड इथे शिफ्ट होणार आहे. म्हणजे नवीन कुठला बॉन्ड फॉर्म होतोय, या कार्बन कार्बनमध्ये डबल बॉन्ड फॉर्म होतोय. सीआर या कार्बन कार्बनमध्ये डबल बॉन्ड फॉर्म होतोय आणि हा बॉन्ड इथे शिफ्ट झाल्यानंतर ऑक्सिजन आणि कार्बनमध्ये डबल बॉन्ड फॉर्म होतोय. ऑक्सिजन आणि कार्बनमध्ये डबल बॉन्ड फॉर्म होतोय. म्हणजे हा बॉन्ड इथे शिफ्ट झाला आणि या डबल बॉन्डमधला हा बॉन्ड इथे शिफ्ट झाला. नाऊ द कंडिशन इज वी हॅव 2 डबल बॉन्ड्स. एक कीटोन तयार होतोय सी डबल बॉन्ड ओ आणि एक अल्कीन तयार होतोय. बरोबर. आता हीच सेम स्ट्रक्चर खाली लिहिलं आहे. यालाच काय म्हणणार, कीटोनच्या अल्फा बीटा पोझिशनला डबल बॉन्ड आहे. मग आपण काय म्हणू शकतो, अल्फा बीटा अनसॅच्युरेटेड कीटोन. So in case of intramolecular pattern of Bucci reaction, you can see up to now we have discussed about इंटरमॉलिक्युलर पॅटर्न ऑफ बुची रिॲक्शन. म्हणजे आपण वेगवेगळ्या मॉलिक्युलमध्ये रिॲक्शन करतो, सायक्लोॲडिशन रिॲक्शन. आता आपण जर बघितलं की एकाच मॉलिक्युलमध्ये सपोज कार्बोनिल ग्रुप पण आहे आणि डबल बॉन्ड पण आहे, तर त्याच्यामध्ये आपण इंट्रामॉलिक्युलर पॅटर्न ऑफ बुची रिॲक्शन इज पॉसिबल. सो दिलेला जो मॉलिक्युल असेल तो असा याच फॉर्मॅटमध्ये करून घ्या की तुम्हाला सायक्लोॲडिशन पॉसिबल असेल. So just I have written here, you can see CH2 double bond CH and here carbon double bond oxygen and carbonyl group. So firstly there is simple excitation होणार आहे, oxygen radical and carbon radical form होईल. Again here also CH2 radical and CH radical formation will takes place. So simply just you have to again see what is the stability or which radical is more stable. Okay, this CH radical is in conjugation, or this CH2 this can easily donate electron to the CH radical, so it is more stable. So less stable kutla hai, CH2 radical. This CH2 radical is less stable, so it is more reactive. It will first make a bond with this oxygen, and again in second step CH and this CH radical and carbon radical will make a bond, so we will get oxygen 6-membered ring. सो दिस इज एक्झाम्पल ऑफ इंट्रामॉलिक्युलर पॅटर्न बुची रिॲक्शन. आपण ह्याच्यामध्ये काय काय बघितलं, फर्स्ट लेक्चरमध्ये पॅटर्न बुची रिॲक्शनमध्ये अल्किन बरोबर रिॲक्शन बघितल्या. या लेक्चरमध्ये सायक्लोप्रोपेन बरोबर, अल्किन बरोबर आणि अल्काईन बरोबर, अँड अगेन इंट्रामॉलिक्युलर पॅटर्न बुची रिॲक्शन. जर काही प्रॉब्लेम असेल तर पुन्हा विचारा. ओके, फॉर दिस लेक्चर इट इज इनफ. Some more points regarding pattern of Bucci reaction are there. I will share that notes in WhatsApp group, or you can ask me any question if you have any question regarding this. So